Today we pray for all the others. We pray for the lives lost in protests to despotic rulers and for the military defending them. We pray for the safety and retrieval of the countless children who are torn from their homes, their families, be it in war or by corruption. We pray for our friends and families who have lost a loved one and are left alone. We pray for those who are suffering from illness, be it physical or mental. In all these situations of distress or sorrow, we pray they find solace in you, beloved Prime Creator. It is this that lifts us up. It is this that provides our physical body to remind and reunite with our ever-present soul and our eternal spirit. This prayer and all prayer reminds who we are, that we are never alone, that there are countless things for which to be thankful, that love abides and overrides all fear or shame. We pray for others, and in doing so are reminded of our own humility, gratitude, and connection to the one true living source, a life source and life force pumping through our veins with every breath we take. The awe of it nearly leaves us breathless. For embracing who we really each are, our uniqueness, our connectedness to the essence of life is a thing of awe. Great gratitude, beloved Creator, for the subtle yet powerful gift of prayer. For in it, when we pray for others, we find there is no other, just the one. Let it be so, and so it is. This is a quiet title proceeding. We are in the office of the Sheriff of Washington County in the lobby, and we are conducting the quiet title hearing with our court of record. This is our marshal. We have on the table the quiet title instrument. We also have Bouvier's Law Dictionary, 6th edition, along with the United States of America's Constitution, circa 1859, and Oregon's Constitution, circa 1859. Please read.
Oregon Statewide Jural Assembly, www.orsja.org, cause number 02092026, quiet title R. Vrooman. Notification of quiet title and caveat to will. This is a notification of quiet title and a caveat to will and probate in open court regarding the property referred to as Lot 10, Brookview, more commonly known as 14725 Southwest Glenbrook Road, Beaverton, Oregon 97007. This property has been recorded in Washington County records under the name Vrooman Living Trust. Accompanying paperwork, which is included, explains the particular complication and clouding of said property. It should be noted that since the time of the purchase mortgage, the home has been occupied by Ronald Charles Vrooman and his wife Aida Cecilia Vrooman until her unexpected death in 2025. With the assumption that Ron would pass before Aida, Ron relinquished the property they purchased and their shared business to his wife, recently deceased, to do as she saw best and felt most secure. A claim of cognizance has been filed and a copy is included in this notification. It provides for a third-party intervener, a civilian common law court of record, to conduct the finalization of the quiet title. That court is an Article 3, one Supreme Court claiming original jurisdiction, Article 7, Amendment 7 Jural, Civilian Common Law Court of Record, having implemented ex parte Milligan on Oregon. Oregon was established as common law state in 1859 and was the last to join the union of the several states of the United States of America. Article 7 in Oregon's Constitution was amended fraudulently on November 8, 1910, and cannot therefore provide a proper framework for this proceeding. Our Jural, Civilian Common Law Court of Record, is providing such a required court to adjudicate the veracity of this quiet title claim with prejudice. SEC versus Jarkowski, 603 U.S. 109, 2024. The Four Corners Rule is in effect here as we are functioning in common law. Therefore, you are to utilize one of your three opportunities to respond or object to the completion of this contract. This will be read, delivered orally, and documents collected at 10 a.m. February 18th, 2026 at the Washington County Sheriff's Office Headquarters Building located at 2015 Southwest Adams Avenue, Hillsboro, Oregon, 97123. Charlie White, Jural Court Administrator, signed February 7th, 2026, and CC to Ronald Charles Ruman, Washington County Recorder, Office of Washington County Sheriff, Freedom Mortgage Company, On Point Credit Union, Richard Mullimer, Trial Court Administrator, Judge Rebecca Guptill. This is a one-page instrument of an Article 1, Section 1. We do lawful, not legal, and this is our best effort. Cause number 02092026, quiet title, RV.
Hi, I'm Eric Dover with the Oregon Statewide Journal Assembly, and I have some messages for the Oregon sheriffs. Where are sheriffs? Our Article 3, Amendment 7 Civilian Common Law Court of Record has made numerous visits and relentless communications to our county sheriffs on Oregon. Why? Because our sheriffs are our first protection against governance overreach. It is our county sheriffs that should be there to assist seniors to prevent their eviction from their home and all they possess. It should be our county sheriffs who protect and defend the people from a corrupt court system, rather than ticketing them or supporting the illegitimate amended Article 7 courts. Our sheriffs seem to be avoiding any engagement with us, the people reaching out for a conversation about their refusal to see us. Contact requests are met with cricket sounds. Where are sheriffs? It is significant that they take a proper oath to the Constitution, circa 1859, with its original jurisdiction, that is, to the people rather than to a corporation, to our Creator, that is, with God included. Such a dejuration, an oath, is needed for there to be remedy in our system of governance. Let's get this ball rolling. It just takes one of you to make a difference, to get it started, to assist in awakening your colleagues in sheriffdom. Let it be so.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying, and then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up. And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me. And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, shot him 3 more times.